Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ravi Damayanti from Accounting Class 23A with study number 2341207. Today, I will present a topic about accounting in environmental conservation. Environmental issues have become an important concern in a modern business because companies today are not only expected to focus on profit but also on their responsibility toward the environment. Many business activities use natural resources and sometimes create pollution and environmental damage. To solve this, companies need a system that helps them monitor and evaluate their environmental impact. Accounting can play an important role in this process. Through environmental conservation accounting, companies can record environmental costs, analyze environmental activities, and make better decisions to support sustainability. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning of environmental conservation accounting, its purpose, and its role in organization, the type of environmental costs, and the benefit and challenge of implementing it in business practice. So, environmental conservation accounting refers to the process of identifying, measuring, recording, and reporting costs related to environmental protection and conservation activities. In simple terms, it's how companies understand how much they spend to protect the environment and manage environmental impact. This type of accounting includes costs related to waste management, pollution prevention, energy conservation, and environmental restoration. By recording these costs clearly, companies can evaluate the effectiveness of their environmental program and determine whether their activities are environmentally responsible. Environmental conservation accounting also helps organizations integrate environmental consideration into their financial and managerial decision-making process. Next, the main purpose of environmental conservation accounting is to help companies identify and manage environmental costs more effectively. Many environmental costs are often hidden within general operation expense, which make them difficult to identify. By applying environmental accounting, companies can separate these costs and analyze them more clearly. Another purpose to support management is making better decisions related to environmental protection and resource management. Environmental conservation accounting also increasing transparency by providing environmental information to stakeholders such as investors, government institutions, and the public. In addition, it encourages companies to implement sustainable business practice that balance economic goals with environmental responsibility. Environmental conservation accounting is important because companies often rely heavily on natural resources in their operation. Without proper monitoring, these activities may lead to environmental problems such as pollution, waste accumulation, and expensive resource consumption. By using environmental accounting, companies can monitor their environmental impact and manage environmental costs more effectively. This information allows management manager to evaluate whether their environmental programs are working and whether improvements are needed. Environmental accounting also helps companies demonstrate their commitment to sustainability, which can improve their reputation and strengthen their relationship with stakeholders. Next, in environmental conservation accounting, companies usually record several types of environmental costs. One example is waste treatment and disposal costs, which includes expense related to processing waste before it is released into the environment. Another type is pollution prevention costs, which include investment in technology or process that reduce pollution. Companies may also incur environmental monitoring costs, which are expenses related to measuring environmental performance and ensuring compliance with environmental regulation. In addition, there are environmental training and education costs that help employees understand environmental responsibility. Finally, environmental restoration costs may arise when companies need to repairing environmental damage caused by their activities. Accounting play a very important role in supporting environmental conservation within organizations. First, it helps companies identifying environmental expense that might otherwise remain hidden within general operation costs. Second, accounting provides accurate data that manager can use to evaluate environmental performance and make better decisions. Third, accounting helps organizations communicate environmental information to stakeholders through report and disclosure. This transparency can increase trust and accountability by providing clear and reliable information. Accounting supports companies in integrating environmental responsibility into their overall business strategy. Companies can implement environmental conservation through many different activities. For example, business may try to reduce waste producing during production process. Another activity in using energy efficient technologies that consume less electricity and produce fewer emissions. Many companies also implement recycling programs to reuse material instead of disposing of them as waste. Some organizations choose environmentally friendly raw materials that have less negative impact on the environment. In addition, companies may reduce water and energy consumption by improving operational efficiency. All of these activities contribute to environmental protection can be monitored through environmental accounting. Next, environmental conservation accounting provides several important benefits for organizations. One of the main benefits is better control over environmental costs. By identifying and analyzing these costs, companies can find ways to reduce unnecessary spend and improve efficiency. Another benefit is improving the company reputation and public image because society increasingly value companies that care about environmental protection. Environment accounting also helps companies comply with environmental regulation and avoid legal penalties. Furthermore, companies that show strong environmental responsibility may gain greater trust from investors, customers, and other stakeholders. Environmental accounting does not only benefit companies but also contribute to environmental protection. By monitoring environmental costs and impact, companies become more aware of the consequences of their activities. This awareness encourages them to reduce pollution, minimize waste, and use natural resources more efficiently. Environmental conservation accounting also support long-term sustainability because it promotes responsible resource management. When many companies apply this practice, this overall impact can help protect ecosystem and ensure that natural resources remain available for future generations. Next, even though environmental conservation accounting provides many advantages, companies may face several challenges when implementing it. One of the main challenges is measuring environmental impact in financial terms because some environmental effects cannot easily be expressed in monetary value. Another environmental accounting practice some companies may also lack proper system on or technology to collect and analyze environmental data. In addition, environmental program may require addi- additional investment, which can be seen as a burden in the short term. Because of this challenge, strong management commitment and proper training are necessary to successfully implement environmental accounting. So, in conclusion, accounting plays a crucial role in supporting environmental conservation in modern business. Environmental conservation accounting helps companies identify, measure, and manage environmental costs related to their operation. By using this approach, organizations can improve resource efficiency, reduce pollution, and support sustainable development. Environmental accounting also helps companies build trust with stakeholders and demonstrate their commitment to environmental responsibility. Therefore, integrating accounting with environmental conservation is essential for companies that want to achieve long-term success while protecting the environment. So maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.